everyone. We're going to solve each inequality and graph, and we're doing these two problems here. So we'll get started with the first one. What we want to do is clean up the sides here. So let's do 32 plus 11r squared. So our left hand side of the inequality is fine, but the right side, let's figure that out. That's going to be 17r plus 17r squared minus 16r squared, minus 6r squared, sorry. Now, let's copy this down again, the left-hand side, and this is going to be 11r squared. Now you subtract 11r squared from both sides, that cancels out. So basically what we have is 17r is greater than 32. And you divide both sides by 17. So you get r is greater than 32 divided by 17. So that's about, it's close to 2. So that's about 1 and 15, is it 15 or 14? 14 17ths. It's really close to 1.5. Anyway, I'm going to look at that. So basically when I graph it, I'm going to do a reference point of 0, and I'm going to put 32 17ths here, which is about 1.5. So it's saying that r is greater than 32 divided by 17. I'm reading it from right to left there, and then I rewrote it to read it from left to right. So that means it can not equal it, so you leave it open, and then we're shading to the right, because this is where the arrow is. Match those arrows up, and then you can shade in that area. Okay, the next problem, we're going to do the same thing. The left-hand side, copy it down, and simplify the right-hand side. Now solve for x, so we're going to add 28 to both sides. So that cancels, that zeroes out. It's going to be 32x minus 2 is greater than 14. Add the 2 to both sides. Try to do it mentally because it helps. Divide both sides by 32. If I divide both sides by 32, that's going to say x is greater than 16 divided by 32, which can reduce to 1/2. So when you graph it, we're going to put 0 somewhere as a reference point, and then go to 1/2. Just put it anywhere. Now it can, it's greater than that, so you put the open interval, and it's greater than. So match up these right here. Match those up and shade towards that arrow that says greater than. All numbers greater than 1/2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.